Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can I use Apple Pay with Capital One? Apple Pay is a mobile payment system that allows you to make contactless payments using your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. It's a really convenient way to pay for things, and it's becoming more and more popular. Capital One is a major bank in the United States, and they offer a variety of credit cards and checking accounts. So, if you're a Capital One customer, you might be wondering if you can use Apple Pay with your cards. Answer: the answer is yes. You can use Apple Pay with your Capital One credit cards and checking accounts. How to set up Apple Pay with Capital One. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the plus button to add a new card. Select Credit or Debit and then Capital One. Enter your Capital One card number, expiration date, and security code. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Once you've set up Apple Pay with your Capital One card, you can start using it right away. Just hold your iPhone or iPad near a contactless payment terminal and you'll be good to go. Benefits of using Apple Pay with Capital One. There are a number of benefits to using Apple Pay with your Capital One card. Security: Apple Pay uses advanced security features to protect your card information. Convenience: Apple Pay is a quick and easy way to pay for things. Rewards: you can earn rewards on your Capital One card when you use Apple Pay. Additional tips: if you have more than one Capital One card, you can add them all to your wallet app. You can also use Apple Pay to pay for things online and in apps. You can find a list of merchants that accept Apple Pay on Apple's website. So, if you're a Capital One customer, you can definitely use Apple Pay with your cards. It's a great way to make payments, and it's easy to set up. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.